Welcome to the Critical Contacts binder assembly video. Thank you for your purchase. If at any time you feel that I am moving too fast, feel free to pause the video. Let's get started with the list of materials you'll need. 1 standard 3-ring binder. 2 3-hole design clear plastic sheet protectors. 2 insertable tab dividers. 1 set of pre-printed monthly dividers. 1 set of pre-printed dividers numbered 1 through 31. Here's another glance at the materials you'll need. Now let's move on to assembly. First, grab the page with the words Critical Contacts printed vertically on it from your stack of printed PDF files, and use a paper cutter or scissors to cut it according to the size of your binder's spine. Next, place your binder on a flat surface, like so, and slip the spine label into the spine sleeve. Now take the color copy of the cover page titled Accept the Challenges and insert it into the front of your binder. Next, take the black and white cover sheet titled Accept the Challenges, placing it back to back with the sheet titled Instructions for Use, and insert them into one of the clear plastic sheet protectors. Now place them in your binder with the cover sheet towards the front of the binder. Next, take the sheets titled Hostess Coaching 3 Contacts and Short Script, place them back to back, and insert them into the other plastic sheet protector. Add them to the binder with Hostess Coaching 3 Contacts toward the front. Now grab your 2 insertable tab dividers. As you can see here, we've used 2 pre-printed tab labels. These are not essential to the assembly of the binder, as handwritten labels are effective as well. Please label one tab Hostess Checklist and the other Contact Record. Now take the divider titled Hostess Checklist and insert it into the binder. Next, grab the pages titled Hostess Contact Checklist and insert them into the binder facing towards the front. Now add the Contact Record divider. Next, take the pages titled Critical Contact Record and add them to the binder facing forward. Now grab the pre-printed set of numbered dividers and place them behind the current month in the set of pre-printed monthly dividers. As you can see, we're using January as the example here. Insert them into the binder facing forward. And finally, grab the sheets titled Customer Contact Record, place them in the binder facing forward, and close the binder rings. Here's a look at the finished product. I hope this video was helpful. We appreciate your business.